Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we'll be continuing with our chapter number 3, Entrepreneurship Development in our subject Organization of Commerce and Management. Let's begin. Now students, before starting with the process of entrepreneurship development, let's take a brief look on the meaning of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is a purposeful activity of an individual or group of individuals which is undertaken to earn profits through production or distribution of economic goods and services. It is the function performed by an entrepreneur, a process of setting new business and finding the market options by using the resources available in hands. Now let's see the process of entrepreneurship development. In that, the very first one is training. Earlier, it was believed that entrepreneur is an inborn quality. But with due course of time, it became necessary to polish the entrepreneurs to produce future eligible entrepreneurs with education and training. Training is an integral input of managerial development. Training is a scheme of instruction which is planned, systematic, consistent, pervasive and monitored to measure its effectiveness. Training imparts knowledge of marketing of goods, production methods, education, etc. It exposes an entrepreneur to the latest development which can affect him either directly or indirectly. It helps the entrepreneur to be at par with the ever-changing world by adopting new technology in production. It minimizes the risk of fatigue and industrial accidents. Training can be done by lecture method, seminars, demonstration methods, meetings, conferences, etc. Now, the next process of entrepreneurship development is entrepreneurship development programs. Entrepreneurship development programs has been defined as a program designed to help a person in strengthening his entrepreneurial motive and in acquiring skills and capabilities necessary for his role efficiently. It's a device through which people having entrepreneurship qualities or traits are identified and motivated to take up new ventures or enterprise. It includes arrangement of infrastructure, selection of potential entrepreneurs, identification of enterprise, actual training program, selection of training personnel, selection of method of training, actual training and monitoring and follow-up. Now, let's see the objectives of entrepreneurship development programs. The very first is to foster entrepreneurial growth in the country. That means to increase more entrepreneurs who will add on to the economic growth of the country. The next objective of entrepreneurship development program is optimum use of available resources. Knowledge in entrepreneurs to use the available resources to the fullest and minimize the wastage. The third objective is development of backward regions and improving economic status of socially disadvantaged groups. This means starting new business units in places which are economically and geographically backward. It minimizes the regional imbalance. The socially disadvantaged groups or the people who are in EBC can also be helped by this step. The fourth objective of entrepreneurship development program is generation of employment opportunities. New employment or jobs will get created. People will start getting jobs and income, thus increasing their standard of living and decreasing the problem of unemployment in the country. The last objective of Entrepreneurship Development Program is widening base for small and medium scale industries. Entrepreneurship will widen the markets. It will help the small and medium industries to flourish and earn good business. This will make the economy strong. So students, that's all for the day. Thank you.